So what you're gonna do is you can start up the car first. Then after that, we're going to use this pad here to reset the mating light. So right now, if you look at it, it's a push back. So you do is push back, go up or down, it doesn't matter. Go to the setting, go to the right. Into here, hold it down, you scroll down into say schedule mating, push OK, then go up, push yes, and that's it. Now you want to go back, just push back, and you can push back again, whatever. But now you can go to wherever you want to set your setting at, where you left it off. I think it was off, it was to be here. So that's it.